In front of me is Honor 600, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use one-handed mode. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Accessibility features available here. Now tap on one-handed mode and use this switcher next to one-handed mode to activate it. Following that, follow all of those instructions. If you are using gesture navigation, to enter one-handed mode, slide your finger across the button of the screen and hold. If you are using three keys, do exactly the same without holding. So when I do that, one-handed mode is on. If you want to go back, tap on black area. If you want to use one-handed mode on the other side of your screen, just swipe in an opposite direction. Go back the same way. To disable one-handed mode fully, use the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!